So today I'm just going to quickly go through this. Then after this, we go into practical. So, yesterday we learned what AI is, examples of AI. We look at AI versus humans, examples, and we said AI does not have emotion, no matter how good AI is. And that's why AI cannot do some certain things, because there's no emotion in it. AI will not be able to do it. So today we are just going to quickly look at them, quickly say, can machines really think? Yes, AI can think, but not like human being. They follow patterns. It learns from whatever you give to it. You say, go this way, jump 3 times, move 2 times, move your head up, move it down. It will only follow whatever you give. So AI is not smart. AI is not smarter, but it becomes smart as you continue to train it. So that is why it requires training. As you train, just like when you bring this phone now, you show it to AI the first time, second time, third time, maybe like 10 times. Before you know it, AI will know that this is a phone. That's how it works. So that's the same thing that happens when you use a phone too. So 3 things AI needs. Number 1, it needs data. That is why when you want to, let's say you want to generate image now, you want to work with image, you give the image. In fact, sometimes you say, reference this image. You have given it a data. Then algorithm is step by step. You have to put instruction. What do you want it to do? Okay, I want this picture to decorate me, maybe like a birthday celebrant or something. You are giving instruction step by step. Then AI learns from that thing you have given. And at the end of the day, it gives you a smart answer. And it gets smarter as you continue doing that. That's what AI. Now, example of data you can give to AI, you can give it pictures, you can give it videos, you can give it text, you can give it number, you can give it pictures. All the pictures on your system or your phone, they are data, they can be used to train your AI. Okay, so an AI will follow rules, instructions to do that thing you want it to do. Like now, you say, if the users watch football, you normally go maybe to YouTube, to Facebook, to everything, you watch. Then anytime you go to YouTube again or this thing, it will be suggesting football for you, because AI or because it's an algorithm already know, based on what you have watched, what you have done, that you need what, that you make use of, you watch football, you love football, and that's what will be coming to you. So now AI makes use of machine learning. It learns from example. Show many cats, you will see cat. Patterns, not program, it follows the patterns you give to it. What you do often, every time. That's what, at the end of the day, it learns with it and give you what you're supposed to do. So when you watch YouTube, it will track what you watch, track how long you have watched, and will suggest similar video. So YouTube is watching what you like, and it will give you that thing. Just try it. Maybe in 1-2 days, watch a particular thing. You see, next time they want to give you a video to watch, they will give you something that is related to that one. The movie you watch, the genres you like, the time you spend, that is why 2 people see different home page. If you go to YouTube now, when you open your home page, it may be different from mine because we don't watch the same thing. What you will see will be based on what you watch, and what I see will be based on what I watch. So how AI work? It needs data, and the data will work with the algorithm. It will learn it, and it will predict. So this is the brain of AI. This is just how AI works. So from this one, I've already done the foundation yesterday, and I'm telling you now that today we need data. That's number 1. Number 2, we need algorithm. Number 3, it will learn it. Algorithm is the instruction you give to it, and it will give you, it will predict what it should be. So from this one, we are going to practical now. So if your own is, you are using a phone, if it's a phone you want to use to practice, you let me know. If you are using a laptop, you let me. So I will stop sharing this particular screen now while we do a bit practical. Okay. So I know that your system, the first one, we are going to use so many of them, but we are starting with this. Now, you are a student. You need this. I know many people use it wrongly. And some people say, in fact, somebody said of this and said, is it good for students to use ChatGPT? And I said, yes, because you are not doing copy and paste as a student, but you want to use it to learn. No, we're saying something that in our own time when we were going to school, we are stick to textbooks, different types of textbooks, you go and check, but now knowledge has increased. You can learn from anybody all over the world. Now, it's different from that time that you learn from only your teacher. But now you can learn from anywhere. You can learn from any country. You can learn from anywhere that can benefit you. And when you look at it now, you only get the information and use the information to your own advantage, not to do copy and paste. As a student, you are not doing copy and paste, but you are going to learn the ethical ways of using it. In fact, you're supposed to use it as a study material, something to study, to learn. That's what you're supposed to use it for. Okay, now, if you have opened your ChatGPT, let me know in the chat box, just type yes, so that now we are in ChatGPT now. Now we are going to train your AI. I want you to type this thing that I want to type now. I'm dropping it here. Oh, no. Oh, I need to, okay, you are going to write this. We say you are creating a chat box. So you just say, you type in your own. You are a friendly school. You're a friendly school assistant. That's what we want to do, assistant for teenagers. Are you getting it? That's why I'm reading it out. In fact, let me use voice so that let me dictate for it. My microphone, oh, I've not allowed my microphone. You can actually speak to it. Teenagers, you help with homework. Now, you are giving instruction, give study tips, and motivate students. Full stop. Always respond. You are building a chatbot, so that's what you want it to. You want this chatbot now to act as a school assistant for teenagers. And what you want this chatbot to do is to help the teenagers for homework, to give them study tips and motivate the students to learn. And you say, always respond. Always respond in a fun and simple way. Yeah, and simple way. Now, this is what you have typed. Now, have you all seen it? Have you typed? If you have typed, just type yes before I continue. Type yes if you have typed. Type yes. If you have done your typing, just type yes. Okay, go to, somebody is saying I don't understand. Okay, go to ChatGPT. Type this. Go to new chat. You see, if you go to chatgpt.com. Okay, I will soon, in the next 10 minutes, it will go up. But remember, I say come back after now. Now, that person that is asking me, look at it. Come to your maybe on your Chrome, it can be on your Chrome, just type www.chatgpt.com. Then it will open. Use it like that. You don't even need to register. Just use it to do what you want to do now. And if you are using phone on your phone, you can use on the Chrome on your phone, you can use it, or you go to your app store and download ChatGPT if you don't have, but you can just use it from the browser. Go to any of your browsers, type www.chatgpt.com. Is that okay? Is that okay for everybody? Unmute yourself and talk. If you're having an issue, let me know. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's continue. You're not seeing anything on the screen. Somebody says, I'm not seeing anything on this. Let me go back to the screen. Look at the screen. Are you seeing what I tell? Let me read it. If you are building a chatbot for yourself, you are a friendly school assistant for teenagers. You help with homework, give study tips, and motivate students. Always respond in a fun and simple way. This is what you want to build now. And you are using ChatGPT to build it without any code. You are not using code, but you want to build it. Do you understand this now? So I will say, yes, I'm sending it. Let's see what it will give us now. Yes. Now see what it's giving you. You say, got it. Hey there, I am your friendly school assistant. Have you seen it? As if you have built the app. I'm here to help you to understand your homework, no stress, share smart study tips, motivate you when school feels tough, help you stay focused and confident. Now you can see what it has given us. You can ask me anything like, explain this topic simply. That's what I told you, that as students, you are not to go to ChatGPT, just and they give you an assignment, you are going to just copy and paste it and tell your teacher you have done. You didn't learn anything. You need to use it to learn. It will help you to learn. He said, you can ask me anything like, explain this topic simply. Help me study for my exam. Give me a quick summary. I don't understand this question. Let's make learning fun and easy. So what are we working on today? That is your chatbot is asking you that. Do you understand it now? So you have just built your first chatbot that will help you to do whatever you want to do. Now it's asking you. It says, so what are we working on today? Then you can say, let's say, let's give it a question. Can I say, explain photosynthesis? Have you seen it? You have asked it to explain. Say, what do you want to do? Have you seen it now? It will give you, that is how you can use it to study. It will now give, you can see, it can give you what photosynthesis is, the ingredients, the everything you need. Everything it will give you, so it will help you as a student to learn more. That even when you get to your class, when your teacher bring out a topic, you start talking about the topic, the teacher will be like, I've not taught this. How did this student, how did this person know this? Now, after it has given you the answer, it's a chatbot, and it's saying, it's now giving you a mini challenge after you've asked that question to explain it to you. You now say, why do you think photosynthesis is important? Say it's a mini challenge for you, for human. Then it's giving you the hint for it. So that is what it does. So you can create your chatbot and start doing your work the way it's supposed to be. I will drop the chatbot, I will drop it for you so that those that didn't get it from here, you can get it later. Okay, so you can see, this is what it has done for you. So you can tell it anyhow you want it. Anyhow you want it now, You can tell it to do it for you. You can read it. You can tell it to read it for you. It will read for you. Then you can say make it fun. Depends, because it's your chatbot. You are chatting. If you say make it fun, it's going to make it fun for you. Make it fun. He said, let's make it fun and unforgettable. He said the fun version. It will give you the fun version of it. How you want it. Anyhow you want it. It will give you what you want. You can see. He said, let's just go through it a bit. He said, imagine a plant is a lazy chef that never goes to the market. Instead, he just stands there like sunlight, come here, water, come up, air, enter, because he said it should be fun. So what this thing will do is that to make it very simple for you. You will understand it in a fun way that even when you get to the class, they look at it, this child is very intelligent. It's because you have learned. You have learned. You have a chatbot that teaches you this topic, and I know that most of you, they give you your scheme of work. You can go to it and learn from there. He said, the plant misses everything like a smoothie. He said, sunlight, water, air, it will make you understand it and teach you this thing in a fun way that, he said, mini fun question. If plants eat sunlight, what do you eat to get energy? Say you. Now, sun eats energy. Sun eats sunlight to have energy. Say you, as human being now, what do you eat? And it will make it relatable.